Hi, these are all scoops from the live of 10th, which was yesterday. Now, we showed you one fabulous silk, Munga silk fabric to be specific, yesterday, and this is the second design that we have with it. Now, look at the detailing, it's really pretty with the Sona and Rupa. But what I also have for you, and it's a really amazing dupatta, is this one. These are 7,400, and I have the most beautiful colors in it. It's a less width, super nice, super soft, really easy to take. Look at that, so dressy in fact, and you can even wear it in contrast the way I'm wearing. और मैं अब आपको इसके साथ दिखाती हूँ how fabulous this looks. Look at that, 7,400 for this dupatta. This fabric is I think 5,800, and it's absolutely amazing. The next color for this dupatta, and when you're thinking to dress up this season, सब कुछ है, full length है, less width है, it is so easy. It is not one of those dupattas that you will keep aside. Now with this, the most beautiful Munga silk, I think that's a gorgeous combination. All you will need is a plain Munga bottom, and I hope you guys, on my advice, have a plain Munga bottom with you. If not, you have to have it. It's an essential, because फिर आप ऐसे lovely kurtes आराम से easily पहन पाएंगे. Now another Munga silk is this, but what I have with it, it's a beautiful green shade. Look at that. That's a really nice, very nice, you know, this deep green shade जो ये है, and this is the perfect matching with it. I would like wear these dupattas just on any nice kurtas, and you know, make sure that, in fact, now look at that, you wear this, it kind of elevates and changes your look. I love the touch of the scallop. It's really pretty and very, very nice. Okay, so this with the dupatta separately. Now I'm going to be showing you the most stunning one. मैंने जो fabric पहना है, of course, that is Munga in our signature color, which is this deep red. Now look at that, that's a beautiful chinya silk fabric, and let's show you the combination with the black dupatta, and I tell you, it is amazing. Look at that, stunning, stunning. And here it is, that's your combination. It's going to look really nice. Of course the goals are different, but it's about creating a look which I think it's perfect. Otherwise, you can also go for plain premium chanderi. That would be really good with it as a combination. The very last one is a very happy yellow color, and that is this. You can see this is a really nice yellow color, really soft, this dupatta. And इसके साथ मैं in fact even same on same fabric कर सकती हूँ, which is 2250 per meter. I can keep it in yellow, I can keep it in white. But yes, this is a great scoop. Shop from it now.